Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Breeze clamp hose available on the market, the Breeze PowerSeal stainless steel hose clamp. This particular model is a worm drive clamp, designed with size 32, and fits diameters ranging from 1 to 9/16 of an inch to 2 to half an inch. It features a 1/2 inch bandwidth, making it a versatile and reliable choice for a wide variety of applications. Right from the start, this clamp stands out due to its stainless steel construction. Stainless steel not only ensures durability but also offers excellent resistance to corrosion, making it ideal for use in both indoor and outdoor environments. Whether you are dealing with plumbing, automotive repairs, or general hose fittings, the material guarantees a long-lasting performance under harsh conditions. Installation and usability are key highlights of this product. The Breeze PowerSeal clamp is engineered for ease of use, allowing for quick and secure tightening with a simple screwdriver or a compatible tool. The worm drive mechanism provides precise control over the clamping force, ensuring a snug fit around pipes and hoses. This means you can trust it to hold firmly without slipping or loosening over time. The clamp's size range is quite practical. It covers a broad spectrum from just over 1.5 inches up to 2.5 inches in diameter, which makes it suitable for standard clamp applications involving various pipe and hose sizes. This flexibility makes it a handy item to keep in your toolbox for both professional and DIY projects. Manufactured in the United States, this product adheres to strict quality standards. It offers a modern design with a sleek silver finish, which is not only functional but also visually appealing for those who care about the details of their tools and fittings. Each pack contains 10 clamps, which is perfect for larger jobs or stocking up for future use. The lightweight nature of these clamps means they won't add unnecessary weight to your projects, yet their strength is undeniable. Overall, the Breeze PowerSeal stainless steel hose clamp combines durability, functionality, and ease of installation into one efficient package. It is designed to fit snugly and securely, protecting your connections from leaks and ensuring longevity in your setups. For anyone in need of reliable hose clamps that won't let you down, this product certainly deserves a close look. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and insights.